Hello there! In this video I will explain what intervals are in music. An interval is the distance between two notes. You can play two notes at the same time or one after the other. Either way, the space between them is the interval. Let's go through the most common ones. Number 1. That's the unison or prime. This is just the same notes repeated, like this. Then we have the minor second. This is a very small step and it sounds tense. And it is like the start of the tune from Jaws. Hear this. Or if I play it lower. So if you can sing Jaws to it, you know it's half a tone. It's a minor second. Then we have the major second. It's a little wider. And you can remind yourself this is the first step from the do, re, mi. Do, re, mi. So it's not do, re. This is the first step after the do. Do, re, mi, do, re. The next one is a minor third. This is a sad sound. Listen to this. Then we have the major third. And the major third is more bright. It's more happy. So the minor third is sad. And the major third is happy. Then we have a perfect fourth. And you can remind yourself it's the beginning of Here Comes the Bride. Or if you are Dutch like me, it's the beginning of our national song, our national anthem, Het Wilhelmus. Wilhelmus, van ons oude ben ik van Duitse bloed. All right, let's go on. The next one is a tritone. This is very dissonant. And it used to be called the devil's interval. Ooh. So it sounds like this. Ooh. Then we have the perfect fifth. And for the Lord of the Rings fans there who are listening, this is the sound of the horn of Rohan. Then we have the minor sixth. It's a little haunting. It sounds like this. And then we have the major six, which sounds like this. And if you want to remind yourself a song that goes with this major sixth, then you can sing Brazil, la 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 la, na na. That's the major sixth. All right, the minor seventh. That is also a bit tense and jazzy. And then we have the major seventh. It is almost an octave, but not quite. It really wants to resolve, this one. Oh, really wants to go there. Can you hear how dominant this one is? So it really wants to resolve. And then the last one, we have the octave. And that's the same note, but higher. And it feels like coming home. No, home. All right. So, prime, minor second, major second, minor third, major third, perfect fourth, the tritone, the devil's interval, the perfect fifth, a minor sixth, a major sixth, a minor seventh, a major seventh, and then we have the octave, and we are home again. So, all the notes of the whole register are in this. Okay, that was the explaining of intervals. If you want to practice these intervals, I have some practice videos for you that you can check out. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments and I will try to answer them correctly. And yeah, I wish you lots of fun with singing and practicing those ears. And see you around on some of my other videos. Okay, bye!